Hey everybody, Giovanni back again for Post Vlog, Unit 3, Art in the Alleys. Alright, so this project really went well. I utilized every single different idea that I said in my pre-vlog, except for one group actually brought in their own like big A2 paper, I think, like different colors, and they brought their own like art supplies, and they created their art on their own. And I'm going to show you how that turned out a little bit later when I have they utilized the way I was what I was saying earlier is use a brick wall background and use Sketch Express in order to create their own street art. And they chose from different topics that we talked about, the same ones I talked about. There was one about education, there was one about culture, there was one about environment, and a fourth was actually the students' ideas where they talked about reunification of South Korea. Alright, so the one thing that I did change for this project was the groups were only 4 or 3. So I erased the bumbling tourist. For teams of 4, it was just like the mayor, the artist, the building tenant, and the activist, which went really well. And I held it as a public forum. And the students that were in the back that weren't participating in that specific project, that like they had already performed or they were waiting to perform later, I had them like given like hoot and howl when they were like liking whatever the artist or the mayor was actually saying. And I thought this was really enjoyable for everybody. So in order to really not fall behind in time, you should finish reviewing the perspectives all within the first hour, which I had done. Assign different parts to different groups, talk about it, discuss, go into some of the videos, go into more discussion, and try to bang that out in the first hour. And then right when the second hour came up, I started put them into groups, and we started with Ideate 1 right away. And the kids, one of the groups that brought in, like, they collaborated and worked together outside of the branch, and they brought in a lot of their own things, and then they were really excited about creating their output for this project. So I'm going to show you a little bit of 3 of the project outputs right now, and you can see how it went yourself. All right.
Oh, wait. Do you think what things have to change?
I think the many and the hard exam and many homework will be gone. We will discuss about messages, positive and negative impact.
I am agree for message. This message is a piece. This is one of the important for Glover, and it can help North and South to be one. We will keep draw this in many government office.
But it's so dirty. Our building prices being decreased. Do you think message can really help Korea being one?
I think it's impossible. We don't not have a 100% his message can make Korea one. However, if government see this, and I think we have a possibility.
I'm artist.
I'm James and I'm the mayor.
I'm Jake and I am the activist.
I'm Leo and I'm a building tenant.
We are here to discuss about the street art on their building.
But why are you trying to erase my masterpiece?
Yes, our building is being dirty.
But that art was my message to tell to government to protect the environment.
But people who live in this building doesn't like this street art.
Shh, real quick, explain.
This is the North Korea and this is South Korea. And they being one, the other colors can be one. And these colors mean they are different now, but they will be one. and it means we are one, and hence mean North Korea and South Korea. And our message is no war and yes peace.
So that was it. I hope this post vlog works for you. Hopefully it'll work out and help you with how you run your class this week if it gets to you in time. If not, maybe you can take some of these ideas and twist them in future projects. Alright, everybody out in Cheongdam. Peace.